How to turn on low power mode on iPhone X. Here's how to do it. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Battery. Now, turn on the toggle next to low power mode. Once enabled, the battery icon at the top of the screen will turn yellow, indicating that low power mode is active. Low power mode helps extend your battery life by reducing background activity, such as mail fetch, automatic downloads, background app refresh, and some visual effects. You can also turn on low power mode from Control Center if you've added the low power mode control. Simply swipe down from the top right corner of the screen and tap the battery icon. Low power mode will automatically turn off once your iPhone is charged to 80% or higher, but you can always turn it back on whenever you need it. And that's it. You've successfully turned on low power mode on your iPhone X. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, tricks, and how-to videos.